In this video, we have chosen 8 of the newest premium electric SUVs expected to hit the market in 2023 or 2024. These forthcoming SUVs will all be available to consumers in 2023 or 2024. They excel in design, speed, and safety, and have long-lasting batteries that are simple to charge. If you don't want to miss any of these incredible innovations, keep watching the video. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV. If you're looking for a high-riding SUV alternative to the large, slicked black EQS luxury sedan, the 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV might be just what you need. As the name suggests, this all-electric SUV shares a platform and various components with the sedan but offers a third row and seats for up to 7 passengers. Inside the cockpit, you'll find the M-Box hyperscreen that stretches the entire dashboard length, and passengers in the rear can access content via high-resolution 11.6-inch displays. This SUV looks like a pumped-up version of the EQS saloon, with a similar blanked-off grille, near-identical bumpers, and equally fancy-looking headlights, albeit with some new triangular running lights. If you opt for the more powerful 580 horsepower models, you can expect the quickest acceleration with 0 to 60 miles per hour times of around 4.6 seconds, and with a powerful 108 kilowatt-hour battery, you can enjoy a long and sustainable drive. Number 2. BMW iX M60. The BMW iX M60 is a futuristic and fashionable sport utility vehicle or SUV. Its sleek profile features minimum flat surfaces and expressive details like thin twin headlights, all of which contribute to a sense of unwavering self-assurance. The 2023 M60 model caters to performance-oriented buyers with a 610 horsepower all-electric powertrain, an anticipated 280-mile range, and a sport-tuned air suspension. Convenience, handling, and luxury features that were formerly sold separately have been combined into a single premium offering. The M60 model has astonishing energy economy, nimble handling, a comfortable ride, and a rocket-like 3.3-second 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time. With its plush interior, ample cargo space, and stunning proportions, the BMW iX stands up to its billing as a sports activity vehicle. The SUV's high-quality glass optic, A-Drive touch controller, and transparent smart center console are 2 of its most fashionable features. The first ever BMW iX is full of cutting-edge features all the way through. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz EQE-AMG SUV. The AMG EQ-E SUV is an excellent option to stand out with improved adaptability, ergonomics, and luxury over its competitors. This SUV from Mercedes-Benz is powered by a whopping 617 HP and 701 lb-ft of torque thanks to its dual motor setup. The AMG EQ-E SUV has all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a premium manufacturer like Mercedes-Benz, including a rear axle steering so all 4 wheels may turn in the same direction. The SUV has dynamic select modes and active ride control, which automatically stabilizes the occupants for a smoother ride. The M-Box hyperscreen infotainment system, seen in many Mercedes-Benz EVs, is also an available feature in the AMG EQ-E SUV. AMG has ensured the EQ-E SUV lives up to its logo with a stiffer suspension system, active roll stabilization technology in place of anti-roll bars, and 6-piston front brake calipers. Overall, the AMG EQ-E SUV is worth a test drive if you're in the market for a high-performance SUV that provides luxury, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Number 4. Lotus ELETRE. The Lotus ELETRE's various features and low price make it the best choice. This super SUV is brand new to the Lotus portfolio and looks fantastic. This lifestyle vehicle is appealing based on 75 years of sports car design and engineering. It can travel 373 miles on a single charge thanks to its adaptive aerodynamics, which open and close vents to provide cooling air or cornering downforce. Although not built for off-road use, use, it can be raised over challenging terrain and lowered at high speeds to conserve drag. The longer body and lack of a regular engine and transmission allow 4 persons inside. The car has the first deployable light detection and ranging system. The car's concealed pods show sensors that can identify threats when charging. The car's maximum range is 600 kilometers thanks to the ultra-fast charging technology, which can replenish 400 kilometers of energy in just 20 minutes. Number 5. Lexus RZ. For those looking for a new and innovative option in the Lexus lineup in 2023, the RZ might be what you're looking for. The first fully electric vehicle from the company, the 5C compact SUV is powered by a 71.4 kilowatt-hour battery pack and 2 electric motors, one up front with a maximum output of 150 kilowatts and another in the back with 80 kilowatts. A total of 308 horsepower and 321 lb-ft of torque can be produced from this setup. The RZ's cabin was made with ease of use in mind by transferring the majority of the controls from the dashboard and doors to the central infotainment screen. Number 6. Cadillac Lyriq. If you're in the market for a luxury electric vehicle, Cadillac's first ever entry might be just for you. The Lyriq SUV boasts a sleek design and a modern interior, but what sets it apart is the unique lighting sequences made possible by 736 exterior LEDs. Another unique feature is the exclusive black crystal shield grille, which doesn't need front air vents to cool the engine. With an expected range of 300 miles on a single charge, the Lyriq almost instantly delivers 325 pound-feet of torque and 340 horsepower. The ultimate propulsion system provides near-perfect weight distribution and a lower center of gravity for responsive, agile, and athletic performance. Available Super Cruise Plus offers the first proper hands-free driver assistance technology, and the next-generation active noise cancellation measures road vibration and actively cancels road-induced noise using the AKG Plus speaker system for a tranquil driving experience. Number 7. Polestar 3. It shares its 117.5-inch wheelbase and its platform with the next-generation Volvo XC90. This SUV provides seating for 5 persons and ample cargo space. The exquisite interior design incorporates leather and wool that are recognized as kind to animals. Standard on the Polestar 3 is a rear-biased all-wheel drive system driven by 2 electric motors that generate 483 horsepower and 620 lb-ft of torque. It has a range of 379 miles and can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. The Polestar 3, like its predecessor, comes pre-installed with Android Auto and is equipped with an array of sensors to monitor the environment and the driver's state of mind. Future availability of the Pilot Pack will include a light sensor and other upgrades that boost the car's ability to scan its surroundings in 3 dimensions, paving the way for fully autonomous driving. Number 8. Chevrolet Blazer EVSS. If you're searching for a high-performance electric crossover, the Chevrolet Blazer EVSS could be a good fit. This model is painted in metallic radiant red with the code GNT and has a front fascia with large horizontally oriented lights and a segmented grille. You will also notice the little SS emblem and sharp lines that give it a sporty appearance. On the sides, the Blazer EVSS features a 2-tone design with black lower panels, pillars, a roof, 2-tone side view mirrors, and 22-inch wheels with the same color scheme. Inside, you'll find a dramatic cabin with contrasting accents, gleaming trim, and distinctive interior hues such as vibrant red adrenaline. Moreover, the Blazer EVSS features high-performance brakes, a heads-up display, a sunroof, and a digital rear-view mirror. The touchscreen is 17.7 inches, while a second, smaller display replaces conventional gauges for the driver. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the 8 incredible top-tier vehicles. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tech Bros for more content such as this.